Hello, Mr. Wilson here, going through today's prep. So you're asked to do the 2014 paper, Mighty Mechanics, and do the income statement for that. So what we're going to do is the income statement. Income statement, the purpose of that is to calculate profit. You've got a blank page, so you've got to know that it's going to be income less expenses is going to get your profit. So the only things that are going to go in here are income and expenses. So what you're going to have to do is, firstly, make sure you classify the trial balance that you've got here. So we've been told in the question that the expenses are either going to be workshop expenses, administrative expenses, or financial costs. So let's go through and grab our expenses out of here. So accounting fees here, it's going to be AE, so write AE. Apprentice wages is a workshop expense. That's a workshop one because it's a cleaning for the workshop. Dry cleaning the overalls, also workshop. Interest on loan, interest goes where? General workshop expense. Office expenses AE. The workshop telephone and internet, so that's going to be a workshop expense. Workshop supplies used, workshop expense. And we've got the office AE and workshop depreciation. All right, and the cleaning of the office is AE. The assets here, we'll find our PPE first because they're pretty easy. Generally, they're indicated by accumulated depreciation over here. So we've got our office equipment and our workshop equipment. Our current assets, we've got bank there. Here's another PPE, land and buildings. We've got repayments, got supplies on hand somewhere. This is an investment asset, shares in a parts company. These are supplies on hand, that's a CA. Accounts receivable CA. And just this one's our drawings. On the credit side, both of these are minus PPE. Capital OE. So we're looking for income here. So we've got income here and other income. Two lots of other income. And all we've got left, GST payable, current liability. This one, look at the date, is a non-current liability. And all of these ones are current liabilities. So we'll work on that in our next class. For the income, going over here, we're going to type our income is our workshop fees. So type that one in, or write that in. And you put the total amount. Remember, it's the adjusted figure. We've adjusted here for the account receivable for other income. And there's two of those. So look for your OIs here. Dividends received and rent received. Add your figures. And then what you're going to do is get a total income. All right, so that expenses can come down. So the expenses you got told to classify them as workshop expenses is your first one. So all those things we've put WE next to. We've got dry cleaning, general workshop expenses. So press pause, catch up as you're going. Much easier for me doing it with a spreadsheet. I think that's all of them. And bring the figures in as well. So that was in the heading, so underline that. Your apprentice wages, we're going to type in the new figure. We're going to write in the new figure. The cleaning for the workshop is 4,000. Dry cleaning of the overalls, 6,300. General workshop expenses, 2,100. Telephone and internet for the workshop, an adjusted figure. Supplies used. And the workshop equipment depreciation, you'll find that through the bottom line. And then what you do is just add those up. All right, so that was our first heading. Our second heading is administrative expenses. And so these are all our AEs, accounting fees, office expenses. Then we have to add office equipment depreciation and cleaning. You don't need to write cleaning office on that one. So just underline your headings, make them nice and tidy, and bring the figures in. In total. And lastly, we've got our financial costs. And we know there's only one financial cost, and that's interest. And because there's only one, we'll put it in the second column. Add up all your expenses to give you total expenses. And that'll help us get our profit for the year. It's your income minus your expenses. Done, finished. Good, we'll mark that in class.